Hello everyone. Today, we are going to discuss a fascinating topic: nuclides. Nuclides are the smallest building blocks of an atom, and they are essential for understanding the atomic structure and the elements we know today. Atoms consist of positively charged nucleus and negatively charged electrons. The nucleus is composed of even more protons and neutrons, and the number of protons determines the atomic weight of an element. Nuclides are artificially created atoms with a specific number of protons and neutrons. The protons and neutrons are combined using the weak interaction, which is a very weak force. There are two main types of nuclides: stable nuclides and unstable nuclides. Stable nuclides are those that have a long lifespan and do not emit or absorb any particles. They are naturally occurring elements like carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. Unstable nuclides, on the other hand, have a short lifespan and emit or absorb particles, making them unstable. Some examples of unstable nuclides are polonium and radium. One of the most important properties of nuclides is their atomic mass number, which represents the number of protons in the nucleus. The atomic mass number increases as the nucleus becomes heavier, and this determines the element's chemical classification. In summary, nuclides are the smallest building blocks of atoms, and they play a crucial role in understanding the atomic structure and the elements we know. Stable and unstable nuclides are essential for various scientific applications, such as nuclear chemistry, nuclear physics, and radioactivity. So, the next time you come across a radioactive source, remember that you're looking at a very tiny world of unique and intriguing particles.